Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. Now before I get started with the actual bypass, I will be mentioning that this is being recorded at the very end of 2024. What is it, like September or October right now? October. October 2024. So this is most likely the latest and the last bypass that you will ever need for this device, as I don't think this device gets any new software updates whatsoever. So with that out of the way, talking about the state of the device, you can see that it is locked. It's telling me to draw the verification pattern as one of the ways of unlocking it, and if I select cancel, I will be able to, let's turn off the alarm, to verify it using the Google account. Now this process basically considers that we don't know either one of those, and we're gonna first bypass this and then completely remove it altogether. So we're gonna start off by going back, and you do want to, if you have already done so, connect to Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're connected. I am, as you can see. Once you connect to network, back out to the very beginning of the setup right over here, and here we're going to select emergency call, and we're going to type in a code, which is *# 813 and then hash. Let's give it a second. Okay, so this apparently takes us to the home screen. So here we're gonna scroll down for notifications, we're gonna navigate into the settings, and next we're gonna navigate to additional settings. There we go. Backup and reset, right over here. And we're gonna select erase all, or actually first let's select right here, erase all data, and then select erase all data. Erase data, erase data, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This will take a couple minutes to finish up, as this is a older device. It's not as fast as the devices nowadays. So yeah, let it run through. It's gonna fully factory reset the device, which because we're doing this through settings, it forces the device to remove any kind of protection. So the device will therefore become fully unlocked. So anyway, I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished, as like I said, it will take a couple minutes. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. And additionally, it's not locked anymore. You can see there's no lock icon right here, which previously was visible there. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.